So today we are cooking butter chicken drumettes. So first we take the chicken, then we wash it. Once you're done, put it on the paper towel and pat it dry. After you pat it dry, you put it into the container so we can marinate it later. Now we continue with the rest of the chicken. Now put all of the chicken into the container.
Yan, show that.
Now we'll be preparing the marinade. So first, let's take some oil. Let's only add a bit of oil here.
Sikit je. Okay.
So next, we will add some garam masala. Just add next some paprika. Some black peppercorns. Salt is for taste, so we'll put it last. Now we will add some garlic. We add some butter now. Don't forget to wash your hand.
No, just.
Now let's mix. So after marinating the chicken for an hour, so we will put it into the pot, then put it in the oven at 200 degrees for half an hour. it will be in the oven for half an hour. The smell is scrumptious. It has lots of garlic and buttery goodness. Enjoy with your chicken. Thank you.